typing in ellipsis on Windows. Occasionally, I find the need to include an ellipsis in my writing. I could just use 3 periods, but that's bad typography. Is there a way to insert and ellip just using the keyboard? Similar to how you can insert and dash by holding down Alt and pressing 0150 on the number pad. Is there a similar combination for inserting an ellipsis?
In Windows, it's Alt plus 0133 on the number pad.
Microsoft Office applications, Word, Outlook, Excel, etc. accept the following shortcut. Control plus Alt plus. Found by my pleasantly surprised cat.